This is a brand new 2014 Ram 3500. This truck has an automatic transmission, an inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated seats, the Uconnect infotainment system, a multi-link front suspension, a limited slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Vernon Auto Group is located at 2803 Wilbarger Street in Vernon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.